All right, so I ran into a problem with my swimming pool. It's an INTEX 18,000 liters. One of the nuts connecting stick A to stick B broke, and I had to either go for a new nut to buy it or really improvise something as an emergency. And just wanted to show you how I managed to do this with 2 zip ties. The first zip tie goes into the stick A and practically lifts the remaining truncated nut, and I'm using the end of the zip tie to tie in another zip tie that practically has the only role of keeping stick number B fixed in place. So practically what I did, I fixed the missing white excrescence on this piece. So this white thing on that side is missing. So what I did, I put the white thing inside, but together with the zip tie, so that it protrudes through the hole, the zip tie, and then the same zip tie protrudes through this hole here again, practically locking in the sticks to one another. I hope this will help you guys as well. Cheers.